In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to disable auto bullet or numbering in Outlook. If you've ever started an email with a dash or typed 1, and Outlook instantly turned it into a formatted list, this guide is for you. We'll switch off that automatic behavior so you stay in control of your formatting while composing messages. Start by opening Microsoft Outlook. With Outlook open, head to the File tab in the top left corner. This opens the Backstage view where you'll find application-wide settings. Choose Options to bring up the Outlook Options window. In the Outlook Options window, select Mail from the left sidebar. We're choosing Mail because composing and formatting controls live under your Mail settings. Next, click the Editor Options button. Outlook uses the same editing engine as Word, so this is where deeper formatting preferences are managed. Inside Editor Options, click Autocorrect Options. This is the area that controls the automatic changes Outlook makes as you type. Now switch to the Auto Format as you type tab. This tab specifically handles the formatting that happens in real time while you're writing your email, as opposed to corrections that happen after the fact. Find the options labeled Automatic Bulleted Lists and Automatic Numbered Lists, and uncheck them. This prevents Outlook from converting lines that begin with characters like dashes, asterisks, or number plus period into formatted lists. You can uncheck both to stop all automatic lists, or leave one checked if you still want only bulleted or only numbered lists to appear automatically. Once you've made your selections, click OK to confirm the autocorrect settings. You'll be returned to Editor Options, click OK again to close that window. Finally, back in Outlook Options, click OK a third time to apply everything and return to Outlook. That's it. From now on, when you type something like space or one space at the start of a line, Outlook won't auto-convert it into a list. If you ever want a list, you can still create one manually using the bullets or numbering buttons on the message ribbon. This change only affects what happens as you type. It doesn't alter existing emails or previously formatted lists. A quick tip to confirm it worked: start a new message and try typing test or one test. You should see plain text with no list formatting. If you ever change your mind, repeat these steps and recheck the boxes for automatic bulleted lists and automatic numbered lists. Thanks for watching, and enjoy a cleaner, more predictable composing experience in Outlook.